everybody, it's Alex and Spencer again. Welcome back to another episode of Debt Collection 101 on Arbeit U.
There it is. 2018's off to a great start, huh? The last couple of these have been nothing but good news in the world of debt collection.
Good news.
Great news.
Yeah.
And keeping up that trend, we have some more good news, right?
Yeah. So,
recent court case.
If you remember, we did an episode on debt buyers.
Of course they remember.
Not being subject to the FDCPA. There was a court case, I believe. It was called Hanson versus Santander. Yes, I read that from paper.
You mean on your...
Yeah, and it said, the debt buyer was not did not meet the definition of a debt collector, therefore they weren't subject to FDCPA.
It was impossible for them to determine that majority of their business comes from...
Oh, that's this case. We're about
to
slow down. Yes. All right.
This is the more exciting one.
New case this week, Skinner versus LVNV Funding, a debt buyer. All right. They were sued by this person. I'm not sure exact reasons, but there was something placed on their credit report. At the end of the day, what ended up happening is they were not able to prove that this company was acting in a debt collector. So they filed a FDCPA claim against LVNV Funding, and they also filed a ICAA complaint, which is the Illinois Collection Agency Act. Both of those were dropped, and it was a win for that company. They were not subject to FDCPA because they were not able to prove that they were a debt
majority
collector.
of their business comes from collecting debt.
So they sent over, what the plaintiff did in this case was they sent over like a track record of the defendant LVNV saying, look, they've sued all these people, they must be a debt collector. But the judge basically said just showing that they sued a lot of people you're not able to prove that the majority of their business is being a debt collector. So basically they were saying with what you gave us, it was impossible to prove that that's all LVNV is a debt collector.
And therefore, they lost the case. Well, LVNV won the case.
And it makes sense though. I mean,
it makes total sense.
You can't prove that is.
51% of their business comes from.
Right, they could sue 1 million people every year for debt collection cases, but maybe they sold 1,000,001 hand-woven baskets to people. So maybe they're...
It's a great business. Here, that's a booming business.
So it is that. But anyways, good news. Again, feel free to read more about this link. I will link it below.
Personally?
Yes, personally, I shall do that.
That's beautiful.
You can read the long entire case if you want. It's
or just hear us summarize
pages, But yeah.
Stay tuned. Thank you so much, and we'll see you, as always, next week.